Welcome to the next episode. My name is Dennis Mwabu, I'm a marketing consultant. And hey, if you're watching this video for the first time and if you're visiting my YouTube channel for the first time or anywhere you're watching this, always make mistakes. I was almost making a mistake there. But anyways, wherever you're watching this video from, today I want to share with you, if you're a business owner, 3 simple steps that you want to start using today to convert sales and to get more people from your online marketing strategies. And if you don't have our online marketing strategies, stick around with me up to the end. I'll be sharing with you how you can get access to me as the marketing king to really help you get your business to the next level through different online strategies. So let's dive in. What really happens when it comes into the online world? Most of the people don't understand these 3 steps. So the first step is all about thinking about traffic. Okay, then after you get this traffic, the second point is how can you convert this traffic? And then the third part is really making sales. And when I talk about converting, you want to focus on 3 factors when you take a look at converting. You want to take at factor number 1, people should know you. Factor number 2, people should like you. Factor number 3 is people should know, like, and trust. 3 simple factors to convert your client into sales. 3 simple factors to really make this person who really doesn't know anything about your brand, your product, or anything to buy from you confidently. So let me walk you through this process as fast as possible. So step number 1, traffic. Where do you get this traffic from? This is from Facebook, this is from Instagram, this is from YouTube, this is from Google, this is from LinkedIn. Always make sure to just watch other episodes where I'm really showing you how to work on Facebook, how to work on LinkedIn, YouTube, Google, LinkedIn, and other social media platforms. I'll really be doing a lot of content, really showing you the exact steps that you're supposed to take in order to position your brand and grow your business to the next level. But today, let's first understand the basic of this. Let's first understand the foundation, because if you're not building the foundation correctly, if you're not building the foundation right, I want you to listen to me very carefully. You will not be making sales. You'll be struggling. You'll be wondering what are people doing. So let's jump into it. Step number 1, traffic. Facebook, Instagram, Google. After you get people asking you about your product and services, what is the next thing that you want to do? And I want you to bear this in mind. It takes 7 to 8 times, this is what I believe, for someone to recall your brand and make a purchase and really come and interact with you. How can you make that happen? Have an opt-in page. What is an opt-in page? This is after you've gotten traffic from social media. An opt-in page is a page whereby someone comes, they see the information that they're interested in. What you want to do first is collect their name, okay? Collect their name and collect their email on your opt-in page. What does this help you do? This helps you follow up with these people, and that's why you're seeing this here. This helps you send them email follow-ups, because remember, the moment someone comes into your sales page, I'll be explaining to you the sales page a little bit, and they are jumping this middle process, it means that someone comes here, the amount of people who buy from the first time they are seeing your content or they're seeing your products online is 1%. Okay, 1% of the people are the ones who buy. So what is happening to the 99% of the people? What's happening to the 99% of the people? Right, I've actually written here $1. So I'm so amazed about how this whole process really helps you scale your business. So 99% of the people, where are they going? Because you're taking people straight from social media, skipping this most important part, and you're losing 99% of the people who will buy your product or who will get your service. So what happens here is collect their email addresses, collect the information, and send them emails, follow up with them each and every day. You're following up with them, you're contacting them, you're building a relationship. Okay, there is always a lifetime value of a customer. Not everyone, as I said earlier, not everyone will buy at the first time. But when you take a look at this line, this is point A, where someone has been exposed. This is exposure. Someone has been exposed to your product. To point B, where someone makes a purchase. Okay, this is a purchase. From point A to point B, what are you working on? How are you building? This is what you're supposed to be focusing on. Relationships, trust, credibility. And how do you do that? If you skip the opt-in page, you are losing 99% of the people, because you will not be able to build these factors. You may be getting just 1% of the people buying your products, but guess what? Customer acquisition is always the most hardest thing than marketing to someone who has already bought your product or someone who has already engaged with your brand. You'll be wasting a lot of money looking for new clients, focusing on the 1%, and you'll be losing the 99%. Hey, I have a few amazing ebooks that I've written for you, and I want to share with you. I want to help your business grow. I want to help you get your business to the next level. You can always check them in the links below. We have a Facebook guide, we have a LinkedIn guide, we have an Instagram guide that will really be helping you to get your business to the next level. So make sure to check on the links below, and I'll see you on the next episode.